YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back again. I know I showed y'all a little snippet of cleaning up the wires in the front for my headlights and stuff like that, but I'm gonna just keep showing y'all. All this video is just containing all the little stuff. Sometimes all the little stuff you do, you know, it'll turn out and make everything look even better or work even better. So with that being said, I'm just show y'all something else I was doing. What I done. I don't know how these other YouTubers do it, but sometimes I feel like I know for a fact it slows you down, so I didn't really want to show it, but I just put new weather stripping, new trunk weather stripping around it. So you see that, that's brand new. I'm actually gonna do the doors. I got the door already on. It don't have it on here now, but it's gonna go all the way around. All the way around there. I got the new weather stripping for that, which is over here. And you know, just gonna tackle that right quick. Just trying to tackle all the little small stuff, man. Like the small stuff. It make a big difference, man. At the end of the day, when you add it all up, I don't care if it's 100 pennies, you hear me? At the end of the day, it's $1. You better believe it. For sure. But yeah, just like when I painted this, the other time I showed y'all that I painted that, you see how good that look, man? You see how this stuff look? Like, come on, man, it add up. It add up, man. You do something every day. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that, man. I'm gonna knock out these seals right quick. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, YouTube, so here's the thing. This is the problem, what we got going on. It's not really a problem, but this is what we got going on. I had to take off the door panel. I had to take off the door panel to start replacing, you know, to put the new weather stripping in, right? Upon taking it off, you know, I take it off and I see, which I already knew, but this seal back here is just messed up, man. That whole seal, hold on, give me a second. See if I can do this, clear it up for you. Yeah, you see that seal? It's all cracked and all that. And I'm gonna handle that little rough part, but it's all cracked and broken. So I don't like going in here. I don't want to go in here 2 times, 2-3 times opening this door. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just stop right here. And I already ordered the outer seal. I already ordered a window motor because my window was going up and slow up and down, and I already ordered these seals to go right here. So that's what I'm gonna just pause this video. We're gonna continue this video, and when I get all my parts in, then we'll work on that. It's just gonna turn into a bigger project than what it is now. So that's what it is now. We doing door seals, we doing window motors, we doing it all now. So just stay tuned. All right, YouTube, we back. It's been a couple days, not that many. Got the door panel off. Like I said, I need to replace the window motor and the inside weather stripping. I mean outside weather stripping. So wanted to know, you guys know. Yeah. So I got it off. I have to take the light over here. I have to drill holes in the door, in those dimples. I think it's that one, this one, and that one. I got to drill the holes in the door to get the motor out, the old motor, which is down here. Take this clip, it's a clip off right here. I take that clip off, drill the holes in, and get the motor out. Also, I have to put some in to keep the windshield, the window from falling down and breaking. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'll cut y'all off and cut y'all back on in a minute when I get it. Also, this is the part number. This is the part number for the window motor. You see it right there. Let's see if I can get you 742150, y'all. See that? Boom. That's the part number. And pretty much is gonna look like this. It's that one hand bend. Know how y'all be doing it with this one hand. Boom, this the part right here. This the window motor. It come with a bracket. That's the bracket right there. And this is your motor right here. Brand new guy. We're gonna put a little grease on that. A little heat. The heat grease, heat resistant grease. And boom, we're gonna put it back in there. I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on when I get a little further. So yeah, YouTube, we back. See, I got the holes dripped out for the screws. 1, 2, 3 of them. I'm gonna take the clip off down there of the motor, but I want to show you guys what I'm talking about my window. See, it's halfway down. See how it go down a little fast. But coming up, you see how slow that is? We ain't gonna be able to go with that, so that's why we figuring a new motor. But yeah, so once you do that, you get those screws, you get a saw, get that whole saw. The whole saw is gonna need to be a 1 inch with a pilot on the front, something like this. If you need any more detail on it, I got it from, shout out to Still Standing Garage, man. I watch a lot of his videos. He do a lot of G.D.I.Y talk, so Still Standing Garage go more deep into it, but it's pretty much that. I take those off, take the motor off, put another one in, but before you do that, you gotta find this hole down here, put something in it to stop the window from falling down. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna put a screwdriver in there and set it up so it won't fall down. Go from there. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute when I get it. Alright, yeah. Alright, YouTube. Got the motor back in. As you can see, the screws back in. Time for the moment of truth. It's plugged up down there. Time for the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Here we go. Oh yeah. No, go down fast. They come up slow, but they come up faster than it did. Alright. So yeah. I guess we're gonna be alright. I gotta get those installed, weather strippings on the out and the inside. And then I think we should be good, but I got this side done. I'm gonna knock all this out. Get this little rust spot and stuff like that. I'm gonna get that out, clean that up. And I'm gonna put this door back together. Not right now, but I'm gonna put it back together. I actually gotta do the other side over here, so I'm gonna break that down. And then we're gonna be good, but you know, it's just a small thing, like I always say. But this is gonna conclude this video, man. If you need anything else, hit me in the comment section, man. If you need anything, hit me in the comment section. You know, we just trying to get this thing together so we can get ready to roll out. You feel me? We almost out of here. We finna go. You feel me? We gonna be in the wind. We can't have these windows not working, cause hell, I might not have AC right now. We don't know. But look, man. Like I say, man, sometimes them shots get bagged up and you don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And we out, man. Stay tuned for some more videos. Got videos coming. I'm working. We're going to do better this year, 2023. Let's go.